Hello UKG kids. So today we will continue capital alphabet in cursive style from U to X. Use start from the second line, then up, touch the first line and moving down towards the third line, then curve and move up towards the top line, then again moving back to the down till the third line and curve, then up and touch the second line, letter U. Now the letter V. The starting of the letter V, same as U, from the second line up till the first line, then moving towards the third line, then moving back up toward the first line and finish off with the roundish curve. So this is the letter V in cursive. From the second line and slanting line till the first line, then moving down till the third line and move back up till we reach the top line, then again downwards till the third line, then up toward the top line and end up with taking a roundish curve. Letter W. Letter X, start from the second line same as V, then till the first line, then make a curve till the third line, again start from the top, slide below the first line, make a curve, touch with the previously written curve until the third line and up and touch the second line. Letter X. So children, you have to complete 2 full pages, one for classwork and one for homework like this. And parents, please help your child. Thank you. Hello kids, welcome to your हिंदी सेशन. आज का टॉपिक है शब्द रचना, जिसमें हम दिए गए वर्ण से शब्द बनाते हैं. तो सबसे पहले आप लिखिए डेट 23/4/2020, फिर टॉपिक, शब्द रचना और फिर कक्षा कार्य. तो सबसे पहला वर्ण है क. अब बच्चों विचार कीजिए ऐसा शब्द जो क से शुरू होता है. क से कमल, क से कटहल. अब हमें ख से शुरू होने वाले शब्द लिखने हैं. पहला शब्द क्या हो गया? खग. अगला खटमल. अब ग वर्ण से शुरू होने वाला शब्द गपशप और गम. अगला है घ. घ से शुरू होने वाला शब्द है घर और दूसरा घटक. आगे च वर्ण से शब्द रचना करेंगे. च से चमक और चमचम. तो इस प्रकार आपको 2 फुल पेजेस करने हैं, एक पेज क्लासवर्क का और एक पेज इस प्रकार होमवर्क का. तो पेरेंट्स प्लीज हेल्प देम. थैंक यू. So today we will revise number names 1 to 5 in maths. So let's start right with me. Date 23/4/2020. Topic just number name and classwork. So as you can see, this I have written number already. Now we are going to write number names but in cursive style. So let's see how I am writing and follow me. First number is 1. You have to join all the letters like this. O-N-E 1. Next is 2. T-W-O. It's very easy children. Try it. Next we will write 3. T-H-R-E-E. 4. F-O-U-R. Very good. 5. F-I-V-E. So, did you see, children, how easy it is to write in cursive? So, you have to complete 2 pages, one for classwork and one for homework, like this. And parents, please help your kid to do the work. Thank you.